welcome to Inspire Art Linkings, where creativity knows no bounds and the beauty of nature comes to life through the stroke of a brush. Today, we will embark on a journey to capture the essence of natural scenery, from rolling hills to cascading waterfalls. Begin by sketching the basic shapes and contour of your landscape, allowing your imagination to guide you as you bring the scene to life. Next, focus on the finer details, the textures of the rock, the movement of water, bringing depth and dimension to your composition. Now it's time to add colors. Don't forget to play with light and shadow, adding highlight to the top of trees and shadow beneath the rocks to create depth and contrast. And there you have it, an exquisite natural scenery brought to life on canvas, ready to inspire and delight all who behold it. Unleash your creativity with Inspire Art Linkings. Subscribe for more tutorials. If you'd like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.